Hey guys, welcome to this Streamcast. Today I'm just going to show you how to upload products into your WooCommerce. Um, so first off, here we have a list of products and just a quick overview of the interface. You can see it all speaks for itself. Name, SKU, stock, so that's how much you have in stock here. The price and the sale price, whatever categories it's in. The keywords that you decide to put it in, and this is featured or not featured. When it's the white star, it's not featured. As you can see, it says no here, and this says what type of products it is. So when we get to creating our new product, you're gonna see the different types of products you're able to create. You could use this panel to basically decide what to show here. You would want everything to show, but sometimes you would need the date to show. Sometimes, you could decide, well, maybe you want to know when it was published, but just to keep the layout simple, you could just take those out and you get a simpler interface. Alright, let's just go click on add product. And you can see we have a very simple interface. WordPress is just super simple to use. That's why millions of people use it. Just to scroll down, we get to see everything that we need to add. Okay, everything we need to add is just this short form, and that's it. Okay, so we put our product name. So we're gonna just put ladies purse in white. No, let's just put ladies purse. So here, this one, it's funny because it's at the top, but anything you put in here will show up at the bottom of the product. So just to get that out of the way, let's just say bottom description. Okay, let's just move on to the product data. So you can see now we're faced with our simple product again, but if you click this drop down, you can see group product, external, affiliate product, or variable product. Just today we're going to focus on a simple product. If you guys need an overview on any of those, I might be doing those in the future, so check out for that. So you get to put your SKU, your stock keeping unit. So if, like right now, we're using the demo store, so DS for demo store, and then you could put 001, for example. That's if you're a massive company. I don't think it's compulsory. The price obviously speaks for itself, so the sale price has to be less than the regular price. So let's say we could give them 5 off. We go on to inventories. So you could decide whether to manage stock or not. So the stock quantity is 0. So let's put that to like 10. And you could decide to allow back orders or not. So allow but notify a customer, or you could just allow. So that's if you have 10 but you continuously get stock. So you could just allow it so that people could continue buying if you didn't notice that you have like 10 and they've bought more than 10. So in the WooCommerce settings, you will be able to like change you would be able to change what you call that, the I blanked out there. You'll be able to change the notification. So if you have 2, you will get notified that, oh, you have 2 left. But sometimes by the time you get that notification, maybe 5 might have been sold. So sometimes it's just wiser to keep allow or just don't manage stock on the whole. But it's really up to you. Shipping, that's if you do weight-based shipping, or if that matters to you. Shipping class. Shipping class basically it's just like Royal Mail's first class, second class, but the twist to it is that if you have like small products, you could create a shipping class called small products and have the shipping £3, or you could have large products and make a shipping class for large products that shipping is £5, for example, just to comply with your shipping just to be fair on shipping, basically. So you won't lose, your customers won't lose, and everything will be fair. So check with Royal Mail or check with whoever you ship with, and make sure that your prices are right, and shipping classes help you do that. Link products, so your upsells are like stuff like you may like, and it will show either on the side or on the bottom of the catalog, depending on what theme you're running. So as it says, please enter 3 or more. So if you have a bag or a purse and you think a shoe might go with it, so you bring the shoe here, and also I think I have a sandal in this demo store, and so you choose, well, bag. So you could choose whatever product you think that might entice someone to add to the basket as well, that's related to the current product. Cross sells show up in the cart region. So if this product is in the cart, it will generate. If the product we're uploading is in the cart, it will generate any product you put here. So you could put the grouping. The grouping says, what does it say? Set this option to make this product part of a group product. Don't exactly know what that means, but that's there. I'm not going to be using that. So set the attributes. So colors, brands, anything that would help somebody further refine the product when they're searching. So you could make the attribute a shoe, and a type of shoe would be a stiletto, for example, or a type of bag would be a messenger, for example, or type of jersey, zip or not, all these things. So for example, brand could be Chanel, because it's a purse we're uploading, so kind of looks like a Chanel, I guess. So we add that on there. To add more attributes, you just click onto the attributes. Let me know if you need a tutorial on that, but it's relatively simple. You click on attributes, add the attribute, and that's it. Purchase note. So yeah, just click on it. Anytime you see a question mark, click on it. Enter an optional note to send to the customer after purchase. Menu order. So I think it's to kind of custom ordering position. So maybe you could put it at number 1, so it might show up first. Enable reviews, speaks for itself. So short description. This shows up next to the add to cart button. So this one is like a summary, just to try to get them to buy, because that's the first thing they will see. So you don't talk about features much, you don't talk about, just try to talk about the benefits, how it's going to help them, marketing 101, guys. And leave the long description for the features, and still try to sell. So the aim is to try to sell, and people don't buy things really on features, but in turn what the features do for them. So try to touch on that. So let's look to the right here. So we have the product image, and let's choose our Chanel looking purse. It's the white one. Alright, now that we have our main product picture in place, this would show up in the catalog, and it will show up in the face of the product page. So product gallery, basically it's for any other angles or views that you might want the user to see. It's quite I would recommend always put in different angles of a product, so because they can't physically touch it, so you have to give them a great experience, and put as much help as you can especially with descriptions. Always put a lot of text in there. It's both good for SEO and it's good to help the user, because at the end of the day it's human beings using this website. Think about, go to other shops, go to Amazon, go to the best shops that you know, go to your favorite online stores and see for yourself, you know, if something doesn't have a good accurate description and loads of pictures, how do you feel? You know, put yourself in the customer's shoes. What would you like them to know about the product? Sell the product, and information sells. The more I know about a product, the more the product relates to me, the more I'd want to buy it. So this place you put your keywords. So think both in the box and out of the box. So it's a purse, so you want to put purses, and you would want to put name brand purses, name brand purse, or you could put bags. It's a bag. You could put clutch, for example. So there's just loads of stuff that you could put, or you could choose from the most used ones. If you've been creating a lot of tags, so you could see that I have some. All of those are added to this list. So all you need to do is just click onto them, and they would just pop. So here we have the categories. So you decide what categories you need to put it in. I'm gonna put it in both handbags and purses. Okay, so what's next? So we have this, we have everything set up. All we need to do now is click on publish. Alright, now that we've clicked on publish, well, that picture is there, but that's not it yet. I want to refresh the page. A quick little refresh. Alright, now I've refreshed the page. So you could see now we named it ladies purse for £40. So that one's it. So this is how it looks. And on this demo store, it's set up that you have a little sale bubble here. You could decide to take that off if you like. I'll do more tutorials covering more WooCommerce stuff. So let's click onto here and check it out. So now you can see our short description here, and our SKU, and the categories it's in, and the tags we added on. So all these things are good for SEO. You know, well, your add to cart and should be down here, but don't worry about that. You could see your extra image, so you click on there, you get a nice pop-up from there, depending on what theme you have. So you have product description, so you can see the bottom description shows up here. Please be liberal with your descriptions. Once again, it's good for SEO. It helps the customer. If the customers don't read it, that's fine. Google will read it, and they will get to know what your page is about. It really helps, guys. So we enabled reviews, so someone could come and leave a review. Additional information, all your attributes and such is gonna end up here. So this you may also like is here, because we chose this particular bag for our cross sell section. So to look at our cross sell section, let's add this to the cart. I'm gonna add this to my cart, and let's view the cart. Alright, so at the minute we don't have any cross sales, so let's take out a few things. Oops, I took the wrong one. We could always undo. Okay, let's take out these. Basically this one's already in the cart, so I think that's why it's not showing up. So let's take it out. Let's see if it will pop onto here. I see. So our cross cells are there. Normally, as it says, the cross cells are to show better stuff. Like if you have a something that would definitely be used with that thing that they have in a cart, it would be wise to put the best one there. And I would recommend testing your stuff. If no one's if someone's buying only one thing and you have cross sales and that it's not working, it's not selling, then that's an indication you should change it up a little bit. You don't need to put too many. So this one would only take about 2 or 4. I think there's a place where you could change the limit within WooCommerce. So really think about that bit there. Alright. So that's it for this tutorial. I'm not going to drag it on any longer. That's it for creating a product. If you guys need any other help or anything with WooCommerce, just leave it in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in the next one.